So Vivo X90 Pro, yeah, this mobile comes with a huge amount of features. Those are, first start with the display size. Yeah, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a 1 billion color supported display, and it supports 120Hz refresh rate display. It also comes with a HDR10 plus, and this mobile's peak brightness will go up to all the way up to 1300 nits, which is huge. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, yeah, I'm a kind of disappointed with this kind of processor in this mobile. But anyways, this comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9200. So this is basically a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. When we talk about the 5G, we have to know about the 5G bands. Yeah, this mobile does comes with a lot of 5G bands. Those are 17 5G bands. Basically, this X90 series is famous for the cameras. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side. 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, that is a 1-inch sensor, which is a huge sensor in a mobile, and it is an optical image stabilization camera. And a secondary 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and it is also a optical image stabilization camera. And when we talk about the third camera, it is a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. So we can shoot up to 8K 24 fps with this mobile's back cameras. And this mobile also comes with a huge 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile comes with a kind of battery, that is a 4870 milliamperes of battery, and it supports up to 120 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 50 watts of wireless charge. And this mobile also comes with features like when we talk about the storage variants, this mobile will be available in three variants until the news now. Those are 8GB RAM 256GB and 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. So these are not expandable memory storages. We all know that these days all mobiles comes with the latest storage capacities. Those are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So we can expect a better gaming and camera performance in this mobile. And this mobile also comes with a when we talk about this mobile's operating system, yeah, this mobile runs on Android version 13 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 13. Yes. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, yeah, this mobile was built with the front glass, aluminum frame, and back leather kind of finish. And this mobile comes with a lot of features, like this mobile comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner. This mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with like IP68 water and dust resistance. Yes, this is a flagship mobile, so we can expect that in this mobile. And this mobile also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which is the top of the line features. And this mobile also comes with in two colors. Those are, I will list the colors in the description box down below with the 5G bands and with a buying link, because this mobile is already available in Flipkart to buy. You can buy it from there, but I think the sale was not started, but you can check the price description. When we talk about the price, yeah, this mobile comes with a price tag of 84,910 rupees, almost 85,000 rupees. So for that much of amount, I can say that yeah, it's a bit overpriced mobile, but yeah, you can expect that kind of camera performance in this mobile. So if you are a big camera video lover, or you take a lot of pictures or videos, or you can game a lot, so you can take a look at this mobile. But if you want a really gaming mobile, for that price range, you can buy ROG Phone 7 Ultra, the latest release mobile. I'll leave a link to that in the description here in this iCard section and in the description box down below. By the way, this mobile will be available in Flipkart to buy. If you go to the description box, there is a link, you can click it out and you can buy that mobile. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe.